This platform has the fastest payouts in the industry. I've been trading with Hola Prime for 4 months now and I've gotten over $40,000 in payouts trading their CFD accounts. In this video, I want to request 2 payouts live with you guys, $3,000 each, and see how fast they are being processed while I go over everything with Hola Prime. So going here to the first account, I'm gonna do the max amount, which is $3,055.5. I'm gonna do it through RiseWorks because that's the fastest. So $3,000 payout, let's click submit. And this is the second account, which is $3,065. Gonna press submit on this one as well. So here's the emails, you get them immediately. First payout right here, $3,065. I'm gonna get $2,452. And the other account, I'm gonna get $2,444. So let's start the timer and see how fast we get them. Now, one thing that I want to talk about, and I've seen some comments from you guys, is the rules on Hola Prime. Now, there is, the truth is they have very strict rules, but because they have these strict rules, they can pay you out pretty fast with no payout denials. So there's 3 main rules that they have, and I want to talk about, which I've seen people struggle with. And I'm only talking about the Forex accounts, right? Because this is what I mainly traded. They have the Pro, Prime, and Direct. I've traded the Prime, which 2-step Prime, 100K accounts. As you can see, the targets are the same, 8% phase 1, 5% phase 2, with minimum trading days. You are allowed to trade the renews during the weekends and overnight, which is a great thing. The rules, right? You have 3 rules on the final account. First rule is the maximum risk per position. Now, this is an important one because how they look out for this rule is based on your stop loss. So if you enter a trade and put your stop loss at 3%, and even if the trade never goes into drawdown, that's still a hard breach. And it's a hard breach because you're risking 3%. So you need to place your stop loss below the 2% mark, right? That's how they look after that breach. That's an important one because I've seen people put their stop loss in a random place and then they get mad because they got breached. Second rule is the margin requirement per trade. So they only allow up to 30% of margin utilization per trade. So what that means, you don't have to go big. And I've actually gotten an account breached because of that, because I tried trading NASDAQ. So I tried trading NQ, which is NAS 100 on their MT5. And because the leverage is so low, I had to do a big lot size on the NASDAQ position. And that ended up going to like 60-70% margin utilization. So that was a hard breach. Make sure you only use up to 30% of your margin. If you're trading CFD like EURUSD, GBPUSD or other Forex pairs, that shouldn't be an issue because you need to do like, I think 30 lots to even get above 30% utilization. So make sure you respect that rule as well. Now, third rule is the one-side betting. So what that means is that you are not allowed to only trade one direction of the market. So that's a hard breach because let's say you want to trade, you're looking for a EURUSD sell setup. So you take the sell position, you risk 2%, you get stopped out, or you risk 1%, you get stopped out. Then you re-enter after 10 minutes the same sell position, another 1% risk. Then the third position, again, you get stopped out, you re-enter. So basically what you're doing is you're betting to one side of the market. And that is not allowed. Make sure you trade both buy and sell scenarios, even if it's just a small pullback or something like that, or just wait for the market to play in the other directions. Make sure you trade both ways and not just one direction, or at least try not to re-enter the same direction, after getting stopped out. Those 3 rules are the main ones that you can get your account breached. Now, these downsides with the rules, I think they're nothing compared to the upsides that you have trading with Hola Prime. And that's why I recommend. I mean, you can trade up to 500K, which no other CFD platform allows at the moment. You can choose between on-demand 80%, profit split, bi-weekly 90%, monthly 95%. You have all these trading platforms. You got all these accounts. You got the futures as well. One step, 50K, 100K, 150K with trade of 8. So you have a lot to choose from. As I said previously in the videos, I only traded the 2-step Prime accounts, which in my opinion are the best. They also have the 2-step Pro, but they're a bit more expensive. They just ran a big promotion with the World Cup where they flew out 2 winners with fully paid tickets to the finals, accommodation, hotel bookings, plane tickets, everything, right? So that was pretty amazing. They should run a promotion soon enough, so the prices will be a lot lower. They are continuing to grow pretty fast. They just got listed on Hola Prime as well, as you can see. Their Trustpilot is sitting at 4.6. I mean, as I've said before, I've been paid out a lot of times, as you can see here. We have the pending payouts right here, which are 3,000. They're still pending. So let's see how much longer this takes. Now guys, prop firms are still one of the best ways to make money, this year, 2026. I've been saying that for a long time. I've personally been trading with props for 3-4 years now. I've been with every prop firm in the industry, CFD props. Almost all of them found something to reject my payouts or even ban me from trading with them. All the biggest ones, such as FTMO, they've banned me a long time ago. They ban traders now. So because they have introduced hidden rules. And that's why I've partnered with Hola Prime, and I recommend them all the time as the #1 choice, especially for CFD accounts, because you have everything. You can trade up to 500K. You have easy challenges, 10% drawdown, 5% daily drawdown, 8% phase 1 target, 5% phase 2 target, 3 minimum trading days, which is nothing on a fund account, 0.5% per trading day, profitable trading day. That's nothing, right? Compared to all the upsides. And once you reach the payout stage and you request, you're going to get paid out. So no matter what, you're not going to get denied, which is an amazing thing to do. And also getting your payout within 1 hour. Usually in the last videos, it was within, 5 minutes. Now it's taking a little bit longer. So I'm very curious how long it will take. I know they've gotten a lot of new traders, a lot of payouts. So actually, let's take a look at the payout transparency report while we still wait here. So we got the transparency report right now. And let's take a look at last month. So year 2026, month June, right? So we can see 65% of payouts were paid out under 10 minutes, then between 10 and 20 minutes, 27%, 20 to 30 minutes, 5%, and then basically 1% under 50 minutes, which is insane. Let's look at July, and yeah, basically same thing, only, 1% under 1 hour, no payouts over 1 hour. So that's their promise to every trader. There is not going to be any payout processed under an hour. And, even now trading with futures prop firms, there's some prop firms that, say their payouts are pretty fast, but nothing really compares. Like Top Step takes a couple of days. Even Funding Next now takes, whole day to process your payout, which they used to be the fastest. What else we got? They are at $7+ million in rewards sent, and that's pretty insane. You can also see all the awards they've gotten. So the fastest payout prop firm at the Ultimate FX Expo in Dubai this year, best trading experience, most competitive prop firm, most transparent prop firm, best payout structure, #1 prop firm in the USA, most trusted prop firm. Like they've had all these awards that, they've only been in business for almost 2 years now, and they've grown so fast. It's actually insane. Now, for those of you who are trading futures, right? They have futures accounts. They allow up to five accounts. So I've actually been funded with the 50K accounts, but I've unfortunately lost them, went on a losing streak. The thing about their futures accounts, the only downside is, again, the maximum risk per trade. So you have a 2% max risk per trade. So you need to place your stop loss at 2% no matter what, and not lose more than that, which is a good thing, right? It restricts you from risking way too much. And the phases are pretty easy to pass. 6% profit target with 4% trading drawdown, which is end of day, with a 40% consistency score. Now they've removed the discount for now. They're looking to re-add it pretty soon. Once they add it, they're going to be very competitive once again with their futures account. So all in one, everything is perfect with Hola Prime. Taking a look at their Trustpilot as well, we can see 4.5 with 3,000 reviews almost. And yeah, only good things to say about them. If you respect the rules, those 3 rules that I said, like there's no reason not to trade with them. I am looking to get funded back to 5 100K accounts. I did have 5 100K accounts, but unfortunately, as I said, I'm being transparent. I did lose 3 of them due to those 3 rules. That's why I wanted to make this video after 4 months of trading. I've seen, I have all the experience with it. So I know, what happens and what I need to be aware of. And we've just gotten the first payout approved, the $2,500 payout. So that took 10 minutes? Yeah, that took 10 minutes. If we look here, we can see both accounts were, both payouts were actually approved. So first one, actually both of them were requested at 8:48 a.m. and they both got approved actually 13 minutes. So within 15 minutes, 13 minutes and 12 minutes, both payouts were approved, and I'm just gonna check my Rise account now to see if I got paid. So as you can see here in my Rise dashboard, I just got the payouts delivered $2,483 and $2,475. So all in all, since requesting the payout 12 minutes and the money is in my Rise account, from my Rise account I can immediately withdraw this to my crypto wallet or bank account, and it's gonna get delivered basically instantly. So yeah, pretty insane, right? It's such a nice feeling knowing that I can request a payout, get paid out within 10-15 minutes, and then I can start trading once again. And gonna continue to support Hola Prime, gonna continue to trade with them, and they're looking for good traders, and they're always transparent with everything that they do. So hopefully they continue down this road and they will climb way faster, just above every other platform in the industry. They also added this one thing. I just want to end the video with the Hola Prime circle. They just added this for people who get 5 consecutive payouts on one account, I think. So you're gonna get up to $2 million of capital. You're gonna get a black card, extra 20% off on discounts, free account resets, 2 free resets within 6 months, a wall of fame, and you can change your platform with no restrictions. So you get, it's pretty interesting. 5 consecutive payouts at the same platform, 0 denials and 1 hour payouts. That's amazing. So I'm looking to join the Prime Circle. Hopefully I can get those 5 payouts in a row, join the Prime Circle, and make a video and review that as well. All in all, again, I wanted to make this video just to show you guys, my experience after 4 months of trading, all the payouts that I've gotten, another payout request done live with accounts that I purchased, I traded, so it's not sponsored by Hola Prime, just giving my experience. If you guys want to join them, buy a platform account, you can use the link in the description or use my code NFX for, I think, 30% off at the moment. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.